Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up this application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check video at this channel, and I recommend it to do because you cannot find this application in the Play Store. So you need to use your browser and install APK. Now let's move into adding this device to the app, and firstly we need to pair them with a phone. Open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. If your Android phone have this button, because as you can see mine having it. After that, open the charging case by press the button on the front side and remove your earbuds from the case. If it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, but usually you need to enter prank mode manually. So at the back side, right here and right here, we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold these touch areas until you will see the red LED light, because firstly we need to turn off them. Here we go. After that, you need to press and hold again until you will see that the LED lights start flashing white and red, because we need to enter prank mode, so we do this in this way. Here we go. Okay, we have it, so we should see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and click pair. The most important that it should ask you to add the left earbud, and you need to pair it also to correctly use these earbuds. The second earbud non-active, we can do this earbud active if you disconnected the right one, but that's okay for now. So then we need to open Backbeat app, and as you can see it automatically found these earbuds. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!